Welcome back, guys. This is Alcoholic Endeavors, and today we are going to be making a original drink that my buddy Stumpy found. And by found, I mean he just mixed random things together and it worked somehow. That's usually how most of these drinks usually work with him, and I'm going to show you how to make two different versions of it. Mainly the second version is just without this, but basically what he's going to call it is called the Slow Summer. What you're going to need is you're going to need Honey Liqueur, Strawberry Vodka, Kissed Caramel Vodka, a Slow Low Rock and Rye. If you can't find this, you can do the second version of it. It's perfectly fine. Both of them taste absolutely amazing to me, so either way you can choose whichever one you want to do. And you will also need a lemon lime soda or Sprite or pop or wherever the fuck you guys are from. Anyways, let's go ahead and get down into it. I'm going to go ahead and get myself another ice cube off the bar. And I have some ice in this one because I'm going to do both versions. And it's a relatively simple recipe. So we're going to just do this. I didn't pull this one forward. Basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to add, well, yeah, I could just do it that way. It's fine. I'm going to add up all the shots together and everything, and we're going to go from there. Basically he did this in a shot glass, like a little tiny like plastic shot glass, like these ones. I'm going to do it in an ounce and we'll see how it goes. You might have to do it the other way around. I'm not sure. So he says one shot, which I'm going to do about an ounce worth, because I kind of over poured that one. An ounce of strawberry vodka, and both of those. I believe it's all 1 ounce all the way through. Yep, pretty much. 1 ounce of honey liqueur. I over poured on that one. Kind of hard to tell. One ounce of kissed caramel. Oh, I forgot the pour spouts. That's unfortunate. I'll just do it in the next video. It'll be fine. And an ounce of caramel in this one. The one in the solo cup is pretty much done, other than adding the Sprite. And then, I don't know why I put that back over there, an ounce of this slow and low. Basically what this is rye whiskey, rock candy, raw honey, aromatic bitters, and navel orange is in this. That's a lot of stuff. I'm not really... You probably just go with rye whiskey and be done with it. And maybe some type of, like, I don't know, aromatic bitters, and it might work. Don't hold me to it. Not 100% sure. And about half can of your lemon lime soda. Let's see here, it's about right there, so a little bit more. It's about half. I might need a little bit more Sprite. Give me 1 second, because the one in the red cup is a little low. It's usually up to that first line on the red solo cups is usually where it's supposed to sit. So we're going to go ahead and give them a stir up. I did put ice in this, but I think most of the ice melted. Kind of unfortunate, but it is what it is. And let's go ahead and take our sips out of each one. I think I'll go with this one first, just for the fact of it doesn't have the rock candy in it yet. And I feel like that will probably overpower what's in here, so I can actually do the taste test and share my thoughts on it, and then I'll move on to the next one and show my thoughts on that one too. So here we go. This is the one without the slow and low. Oh, so beautiful. You wouldn't think. I mean, caramel and strawberries, I think, go decently well together. But either way, the caramel and the strawberries go very, very good together for whatever reason. The honey adds a little bit more sweetness to it, and the Sprite, I mean, you can use regular Sprite, you can use zero sugar. I'm using zero sugar because it's better for me, but not much better for me because I'm using a lot of sugar anyway, so, take that as what you will. Very smooth drink. It is on the high proof side, but so is the slow and low. That's already 84 proof if I put that in this. But you can get away with just having these three main ingredients plus the zero sugar. But mainly, it's a really decent, it's like, I would definitely call it like a slow summer. It's like a nice summery kind of drink in a really, really weird way. Stumpy, how did you do this? Wizardry. You just came downstairs, looked at the bar, and goes, Sprite. Oh my god, I made God tier. Drink. And then I gave him the slow and low, and he added this to it, and he's just like, oh my god, it's so amazing. So, here we go with the Rock and Rye one. This is the actual slow summer that he did. Really good on a slow summer. You still have almost all the key ingredients of the Kiss Caramel Strawberry Honey in it, but there's a big added extra taste of the whiskey. You can definitely taste like the aromatic bitters, a little bit more orangey in a way, but overall, I think this is a really good drink. And I will probably finish both of these relatively quickly since I have to do other stuff. Both of these drinks are very good, and I would highly recommend you guys try them out. That's pretty much it for this video. But if you guys have any shot ideas, drink ideas, anything, really, throw it down in the comments. I will pick some of them and try them out. Probably mostly all of them right now since I have like 15 subscribers. But as long as it's not everything that I have on my bar into a glass, then we should be good. Because I'm not doing that. That'll take way too long. That'll take like 2 hours just to get me to get a fucking solo glass filled up with all of this. And I guarantee it will taste like crap. Guaranteed, especially with chocolate liqueurs in there. Oh god. But anyways, thanks for watching. Hope to see you next time. If you like that, go check out my other videos. We also now have a Discord, link down in the description. Give me a like, comment, subscribe, and I hope to see you all next time.